Grab your coffee and open your calendar, because here's what's brewing at the Chamber this week. On Tuesday, August 6th, the Wood County Safety Council will present a safety and security program called What is Your Plan? It'll be from 7:30 a.m. until 9 a.m., presented by Scott Frank at the Wood County Hospital meeting rooms. RSVPs are requested for this event, so make sure you get the word in now. On Wednesday, August 14th, will be the Business Briefing and Brew, hosted by Heritage Corner Healthcare Campus at 1069 Klotz Road. This is from 8 a.m. until 9 a.m. and is a great way to network with all of your fellow investors. Make sure that you RSVP to the Chamber so that we know you're coming. On Wednesday, August 21st, from 8 a.m. till 9 a.m. at the Four Corners Center will be the Shop Small Workshop and Ohio Council of Retail Merchants. This is a workshop to help you capitalize on the Shop Small Saturday after Black Friday and plan to keep a shop, explore, and eat local theme going throughout the entire holiday season. Again, this will be at the Four Corners Center. It will be from 8 a.m. until 9 a.m., but we do require that you RSVP. On Thursday, August 22nd, will be a healthcare reform panel, starting at 7:30 a.m. with the doors opening, programmed from 8 until 9 at the Wood County Hospital meeting rooms. This panel will be talking about changes in healthcare from skilled nursing reform, insurance changes, and how you can choose your level of care. The panelists will include Stan Korducki, Wood County Hospital CEO, Brooke Harrison, Administrator of BG Manor, Pat Pauley from Savage & Associates, and Barb Gherkin from First Insurance. Again, we require that you RSVP. August 23rd is the deadline to apply for the BG Leadership Program for the class of 2019-2020. This class is an amazing accelerated experience of opportunities and open dialogue with community leaders and professionals across a variety of industries in this area. I went through the course about 5 years ago, and it changed the way that I do business, and I still maintain friendships with a lot of my classmates. The topics that are covered include government, agriculture, business, economic development, and so much more. You will tour facilities that ordinarily don't open up for any other groups and get to see sides of this community that you've never seen before. The class runs from September through May and is one Wednesday a month from 8 to 5 p.m. You can call the Chamber office today to learn more or find the application online. Wednesday, August 28th will be the annual golf outing. Now, it is sold out, so if you wanted to play, sorry, you'll have to register for next year. But we still have a lot of opportunities for sponsorships. So if you're looking for a fun and creative way to get your business information out there when people are having fun, this is a great opportunity. Contact the Chamber for details. And there's one more event that we can't tell you all the details for yet, but you're not going to want to miss it. It's September 9th from 11:30 to 1. It's a luncheon, and it's one of the most exciting networking and sponsorship opportunities we've ever had. So mark your calendars now. To learn more or to RSVP for any of these events, call the Chamber at 419-353-7945 or visit the Chamber website at www.bgchamber.net. Make sure that you tune in and listen to the BG Morning Show Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. for all the local news and great interviews with Clint Corp and Larry Weiss. It's on 88.1 FM WBGU, or tune in via the TuneIn radio app on your phone.